Good evening, guys. Good evening to you all, and welcome back to your own channel, Small Investors and Technicals. And guys, those who are new on my channel, please like and subscribe because on this channel, I will always come up with new opportunities in any of the stocks, commodities, or anything. And today I'm going to discuss the most hot topic in the market, which is DHFL. And I have personally 150 shares of this from the rate 32.80 as well. So I'm going to discuss today the very important part with very important points which may affect the DHFL, and the chances maybe we are getting fooled by them. Okay, so the very important point today is, in comparison to Oaktree, the Pyramid Group has bid 9 points higher than Oaktree, right? In the present situation. But at the same time, here the Kapil Wadhwan, the owner of the DHFL, is continuously insisting COC, the committee of the creditors, that he is going to repay all the amount within next 10 years. So in comparison to the bidding of Oaktree and Piramal between 38,000 to 35,000, Kapil Wadhwan will pay all the amount within next 10 years. He is going to fix all the things, but depends on the committee of creditors. They will consider this thing on 15th of January, or we are going to get the new owner of DHFL, right? To be very honest, at this point in time, we retailers are going through stress. Those who have too much shares from the higher levels, right? Maybe you guys are just in depression for the DHFL, what's going to happen. But what I personally think, that it's a game going on. They are just creating a mess in the market, because it may also be possible that at this point in time the lower circuit is going on. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next week they will open the upper circuit, and we guys will get the chance to come out from there. And this may be possible that they want us retailer to get out from the stocks so that they can buy the maximum shares and hold it for the long time. Anything can be possible. I'm just sharing my opinion. I may be wrong as well, but this can also be happen. Okay, because if honestly speaking, SEBI, government, and so many constitution are looking these things as well. And if we retailers are going to be in losses, then we will stop trust on this share market. We will stop investing in the shares, because we will always be afraid that we should invest in this share market to get extra income or not, right? Because in the Yes Bank, a biggest fraud was happened as well. But at this point in time, the situations are being, good, right? They are recovering. So, guys, those who have shares, I will just say, don't lose the hope. Just wait and watch till 15th of January what's going to happen. It may be possible that Kapil Wadhwan will keep doing whatever he was doing for the past so many years, right? So it depends on the committee of creditors. Almost Kapil Wadhwan and their team has lost the faith, but it may be possible the committee of creditors will like the deal of Kapil Wadhwan as well. It may be possible, right? So have patience, and because this stock is currently not following the technicals, totally following the fundamentals, so anything can be happened. So be cautious. Do not buy any new shares for this stock if you have already. So just wait and watch and hope for the good, right? Because if you guys think that you're going to buy this stock, if any negativity come, then again you may in the loss as well. But those who have already shares of this stock, like me, like you,